The car in figure 12.2 moves in a straight line such that for a short time, its velocity is defined by u equals to times 3t squared plus 2t feet square, where t is in seconds. Determine its position and acceleration when t equals to 3s, when t is equals to 0 and s is equals to 0. The given is v equals to 3t squared plus 2t times in feet over s, and s equals to 0 and t is equals to 0. The required is position and acceleration when t equals to 3s and when t is equals to 0 and s is equals to 0. The solution is v equals ds over dt. S times t equals to u dt equals to 3t squared plus 2t times dt equals to 3 times t squared dt plus 2t squared and t squared plus t squared plus c equals to 0 cubed plus 0 squared plus c is equals to 0 equals 3 squared plus 3 squared equals to 27 plus 9 is equals to 36h. 8 times 3 equals to 6 times 3 equals plus 2 plus 18 plus 2 is equals to 20 feet over s squared. T is equals to 3 and s is equals to 36 feet and a is at t equals to 3 and a is equals to 20 feet s squared.